CSV files, and the schema is shown below. So it looks like we have different data tables. It's interesting. So we have inventory sets, themes, part categories, parts, inventories, inventory parts, and colors. Looks like majority of them has the ID row in them, and some share set number, some share inventory ID. That's good to know. So we're going to import pandas. So we import pandas as PD. Read the colors data. What's the data set? Hold up. Okay, so the data set name is going to be colors equals, let me see if I'm gonna do this right. PD dot read dot CSV. What's it called? I'm gonna copy it so I can spell it right. I think I did that right. And then we're going to print the first few rows. So we're gonna call the head. Let me see if I read it right. Hey. All right. Repetition is everything. Okay, so we pretty much imported, or we're reading the CSV here, data set colors, and we're calling it colors, and we called the first 5 rows of the colors data frame. So it looks like it's by name or color name, and that's the RGB color. And I guess this means if it's transparent and the F is false. We'll see, since we're looking at the colors here. All right. Oh, because they have like some Legos that are red and they're a solid color, and then others are like a